Everyone, it's Jeannie Marie with Artistic Pours and More, and welcome to my channel. This particular challenge is for hashtag pouring in harmony. This was last week's challenge, which I missed, so I got to get caught up. So I'm going to be using Master's Touch. This is layer with black with no silicone. I'm using Master's Touch Yellow Medium, mixed with a metallic gold that I mixed with Floetrol, which is mica, and then my own mix of Master's Touch Yellow Medium with Permanent Red to make a warm orange. So I'm using this orange, whoops, and this is Permanent Red, I believe, yep, by Master's Touch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the red. Right here. So there you have it, right here, if you can see. And I don't think it's too bad, it's pretty. So let me know in the comments what you think. I hope you enjoyed the video. God bless, be safe, and be happy. See you soon. Bye-bye now.